Hey everyone, welcome back to GrowFi Hub, your one-stop channel for crypto and finance education. Today's video is super important, especially if you're new to crypto. We're diving into how to analyze any crypto project before investing. With thousands of coins out there, knowing how to spot the good ones from the scams is crucial. So grab a pen and let's go step by step. Okay, so you've heard about this amazing new crypto project and you're ready to throw your money at it. Hold on, before you invest a single dollar, you need to understand what you're getting yourself into. And I mean understand it. The first thing you should ask yourself is, what problem is this project solving? What's the real-world utility of this crypto? Is it just another meme coin riding the hype wave, or does it offer a real solution to an existing issue? Think about it. Ethereum, for example, brought us smart contracts, revolutionizing how we interact online. Solana came in with the promise of faster and cheaper transactions. These projects addressed real problems in the crypto space. Now, if you're looking at a project and struggling to explain what it does in a single sentence without relying on jargon or vague promises, that's a red flag. If you can't understand it easily, you probably shouldn't invest in it. Let me give you an example. Let's say you stumble across a project claiming to be the future of decentralized finance using cutting-edge blockchain technology, but their website lacks clear information about how they actually plan to achieve this. That's a big no-no. You need concrete information, not buzzwords. Remember, a strong project with a solid use case will be able to clearly articulate its value proposition. Don't fall for hype. Look for substance. Alright, so the project you're looking at has a solid use case. What's next? Now it's time to investigate the team behind it. A strong and legitimate project will have a transparent team with proven experience. Don't just take their word for it. Go the extra mile and verify. The project's website should have a dedicated Team or About Us page. Take some time to look up the founders and developers. Are they real people with verifiable backgrounds? Head over to LinkedIn. Do their profiles check out? Do their claimed experiences align with the project's goals? Look for consistent career histories and relevant skill sets. Next, check their Twitter. Are they active in the crypto space? Are they engaging with the community? Do they demonstrate a genuine passion for the project? Remember, a team that is open about their identities and experience builds trust and credibility. On the flip side, anonymous teams or those hiding behind vague profiles should raise serious red flags. If you're having trouble finding information about the team or if something feels off, trust your gut. It's better to be safe than sorry, especially in the crypto world. Let's move on to the next crucial step in your crypto due diligence, reading the white paper. Think of the white paper as the project's blueprint, its DNA. It should provide a comprehensive overview of everything you need to know. First and foremost, the white paper should clearly outline the project's mission. What are they setting out to achieve? What problem are they addressing? What is their vision for the future? The white paper should answer these fundamental questions in detail. Next, you want to delve into the technology behind the project. What blockchain are they built on? What consensus mechanism are they using? What are the technical advantages of their approach? Don't be afraid to get a little technical here. Understanding the underlying technology is crucial for evaluating the project's potential. Tokenomics, which we'll discuss more in depth in the next chapter, should also be clearly outlined in the white paper. You should find information about the total token supply, distribution, and how the token will be used within the ecosystem. Finally, a well-structured white paper will present a roadmap outlining the project's long-term goals and milestones. This roadmap should provide a clear timeline of development and demonstrate the team's commitment to delivering on their promises. Now, a word of caution. Be wary of white papers that are overly vague or filled with technical jargon without proper explanation. A good white paper should educate and inform, not confuse. If you find yourself struggling to understand the core concepts, or if the white paper feels like a marketing brochure rather than a technical document, that's a red flag. Alright, let's talk tokenomics. This is where we dig into the nuts and bolts of how the project's token actually works. Remember, understanding tokenomics is crucial for evaluating the long-term sustainability and potential return on your investment. The first question you want to ask is, what is the total supply of tokens? Is it a fixed supply, or will more tokens be created over time? A massive supply can lead to inflation, potentially diluting your investment. Next, look at the token distribution. How many tokens are currently in circulation? are the majority of tokens held by the team or a small group of early investors. A concentrated token distribution can give these insiders significant control over the token's price, putting your investment at risk. Ideally, you want to see a fair and balanced token distribution with a clear plan for how tokens will be used within the ecosystem. Are tokens used for governance, staking rewards, or to access specific features within the platform? A well-designed token economy should have clear utility and incentivize long-term participation. Be wary of projects where a small group holds a large chunk of the tokens. They could potentially dump their holdings on the market, causing the price to crash. Remember, a healthy token distribution is crucial for long-term stability and growth. Now let's shift gears and talk about the project's community and social presence. A strong and engaged community can be a great sign of a project's potential. After all, a project is only as strong as the community that supports it. Start by checking out their social media channels. Are people actively discussing the project on Twitter? Is there a vibrant Discord community where users can ask questions, share ideas, and connect? Is the project active on Reddit, with dedicated subreddits for discussion and updates? Pay attention to the quality of engagement. Are the discussions thoughtful and insightful, or is it just a bunch of hype and empty promises? Are team members active within the community, addressing concerns and providing updates? A responsive and transparent team fosters trust and builds confidence. However, a word of caution, be wary of fake hype. Some projects try to create artificial buzz by employing bots and fake followers. Look for genuine engagement, not just inflated numbers. A truly passionate community will be evident in the quality of the discussions and the level of interaction. We're in the home stretch. The final step in our crypto due diligence process is to examine the project's partnerships and roadmap. First, let's talk partnerships. Has the project partnered with any well-known companies or platforms in the space? Strategic partnerships can lend credibility and open doors to new opportunities. For example, a DeFi project partnering with a major exchange would be a significant positive signal. Next, take a close look at the project's roadmap. Does it clearly outline the project's development goals and milestones? Is the roadmap realistic and achievable? Or is it overly ambitious and lacking in detail? A well-defined roadmap demonstrates the team's commitment to delivering on their promises. More importantly, has the project been meeting its past deadlines? Have they delivered on their promises? Consistent progress and execution are crucial indicators of a team's ability to navigate the challenges of the crypto space. Remember, a transparent and accountable team will keep the community informed about their progress, both good and bad. Be wary of projects that constantly delay deadlines or make excuses for lack of progress. A strong project will have a track record of delivering on its commitments. So there you have it. Those are the 6 essential steps to research any crypto project before you invest your hard-earned money. Remember, the crypto world is full of exciting opportunities, but it's also a minefield of scams and rug pulls. Never invest blindly, and always do your own research. That's how you survive and thrive in the crypto world. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to GrowFi Hub, and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss our next crypto guide. Comment below if you want a step-by-step live analysis of a trending crypto project.